Join me as I challenge myself to see if this 13-year-old can become a millionaire by 2026. You're about to meet an incredible young entrepreneur who's got their sights set on achieving a monumental goal, earning their first $1 million by the time they're 18. But what drives this ambition, and what's their current financial situation like? Well, let me tell you a bit about our young friend. They're already making waves in their community with their innovative ideas and determination, and I'm excited to share their story with you. Youthful energy and enthusiasm can take you far, but the reality is that young entrepreneurs often face a unique set of challenges. One of the biggest obstacles they encounter is a lack of experience. Without a track record of success, it can be tough to convince investors, partners, or even customers to take them seriously. Additionally, many struggle to access funding, as traditional lenders and investors often prefer to work with more established businesses. And let's not forget the intense competition in almost every industry, making it difficult for new players to break through. Another significant hurdle young entrepreneurs face is the delicate balance between learning and earning. While they may be eager to dive into their business, they still need to prioritize their education and personal growth. This juggling act can be overwhelming, especially when school and family commitments are added to the mix. Furthermore, young entrepreneurs often lack a professional network, which can limit their access to valuable guidance, resources, and connections. Despite these challenges, our 13-year-old is taking bold steps to overcome them. They've identified a genuine need in their community and are working tirelessly to create a solution. By focusing on a specific problem, they're building a business that resonates with their target audience. They've also secured mentorship from a seasoned entrepreneur who's providing invaluable guidance and support. One of the most impressive aspects of our young friend's approach is their commitment to continuous learning. They're devouring books, attending webinars, and seeking out online courses to refine their skills and stay up to date with industry trends. This dedication to self-improvement is precisely what will help them stay ahead of the curve and adapt to changing circumstances. What's more, they're not afraid to take calculated risks and experiment with new ideas. By embracing a growth mindset, they're willing to learn from their failures and use them as opportunities to grow. This resilience will serve them well in the face of setbacks and rejections, which are an inevitable part of the entrepreneurial journey. One pivotal moment in their journey came when they received their first major client. It was a significant turning point, as it validated their hard work and provided a much-needed confidence boost. This breakthrough gave them the momentum they needed to keep pushing forward, and it's a testament to the power of perseverance and determination. However, our young entrepreneur has also faced setbacks, like the time they invested too much time and resources into a marketing strategy that ultimately didn't pay off. It was a tough lesson to learn, but they bounced back by reassessing their approach and seeking advice from their mentor. This ability to adapt and adjust their strategy has been crucial in their journey so far. As they continue to navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship, it's clear that they're developing the skills, mindset, and resilience needed to succeed. If they maintain this pace and stay committed to their goals, it's entirely possible that they'll reach their target of earning $1 million by 2026. So, what can we learn from this incredible young entrepreneur's journey? Firstly, it's a reminder that age is just a number, and with the right mindset and support, anyone can achieve great things. Secondly, it highlights the importance of continuous learning, risk-taking, and perseverance in overcoming obstacles. And finally, it shows us that with determination and hard work, even the most ambitious goals can become a reality. What do you think about young entrepreneurs like our 13-year-old friend? Do you have any advice for them, or any inspiring stories to share? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more inspiring stories of entrepreneurship and resilience.